Okay, good morning everybody. It is a beautiful Monday morning. We're gonna go around town, get some chores done, and I'm gonna show you how cheap the Philippines is. Doing little chores like doing our laundry, getting an oil change. So let's get on our trusty little hog here and let's go around town and get some chores done. Okay, check it out. We're outside our favorite laundromat. We're gonna get our clothes washed and let's find out how much it is. Alright. Looks like the box is breaking.
Look. Lagi pa. Uy. Hello. 190.
190. And a broken box. Bye box. Alright, 190 pesos to wash our clothes. That's just under $4. Salamat. Thank you. Well, it looks like we need to get a laundry basket now. Alright, let's go get the oil changed in our... no, it says paid. PA, or PD. Open.
Wow.
Boy. Okay, we're here to get our oil changed. This is where we got our motorcycle earlier in the 3-4 months ago. Wasn't recording.
It's so broken.
No. Just changing the oil. How much?
240, sir.
140?
The 40.
240?
The 40. Here.
Yeah, relax.
Me, I got it. 1, 2,
Okay, 40.
40. I got it.
Just 240 pesos. That's just under $5 for an oil change.
Look, aircon.
Aircon.
Look.
All right, let's get some buko. Hi. Can we get two? Yeah, we want two. 220.
Pare, maram lang pag-inglit. Pati ko si mga kaya nga. Mag-viral, mag-viral. Viral ini doon. Parang maram mag-English, may maram lang. Nara. Nara kayo, sigan mo si Patika, no? 1 million.
Thank you. And for less than $4, you get your laundry all nice and folded. Put in a plastic bag. Comes all back nice and clean. Not a bad deal. Boy, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor? It is a beautiful day, and of course we want to go swimming, but they want to go swimming in Peña. Peña. That's like 40 minutes away just to go swimming. It is far away.
4 minutes? No.
Yeah.
2 minutes.
40 minutes. Anyway, so we're gonna go to Peña. If you want to come, let's go. Bye bye. Okay, check it out. We are here in the barangay of Peña. Obviously their favorite swimming hole, because we passed a good 8 or 10 swimming pool resorts on the way here. Some of them with slides, some of them with pools, some of them with beaches. But they're like, we want to go to Peña, we want to go to Peña. So we are here, a good 40 kilometers away from Calbayog. They got 3 swimming pools here. They got a big one with a big slide, and it's pretty deep. It's like 6 or 7 feet deep. And then we got a little one, a medium one, I mean, with a slide, and then they got a kiddie pool. So we are here in the barangay of Peña for the day. We're gonna go swimming, we're gonna get some pizza later, and we'll show you what it's like being here in the barangay of Peña. Of course we had to get a friend, so gotta have friends, right? All right. Boy, for 2 pizzas, 175 pesos. That's literally less than $4. That's like It's literally like $1.70 for each pizza. And they're hot too, it's hot. Hey, for $1.70 each pizza, not bad.
Give me that. Give me this. Okay, good.
So deep. Want to go again?
Okay, let's go.
1, 2, 3, go! Pretty deep here.
Yay! Wait, give me that.
Okay, that was a day here at the pool in Pena. We're about to go home, but we're gonna have to pay first, so let's find out how much it costs, okay? For a day here at the pool at Pena.